Welcome to today's adventure stop here at The Battery, the entertainment center at the Atlanta Braves Truist Bank Stadium here in Cobb County. With lots of restaurants for delicious pizza, burger, steaks, or desserts, The Battery has a great selection for almost everyone. The Battery. Right outside Atlanta Braves Baseball Arena, there's a mix of high-rise upscale luxury living, fine dining, and lots of entertainment. Whether you're here for a game, a concert, or to visit the Coca-Cola sponsored Roxy Theater, there's a lot going on here. Let's take a closer look. This wood-fired classic Italian pizza place is called Antico-Pizza Napolitana, and it's a great delicious option that two can easily share. A large pizza with your favorite toppings will run you about $25 and will easily leave you stuffed. The super hot ovens cook the pizza within minutes, and the rustic style crust has a chewy dough that I love. The cheese is plentiful, the toppings flavorful, and this spicy option called the diavola hit the spot. Moving on, this unique Cuban food option called El Super Pan, I was told has really good Cuban sandwiches, but this was a super delicious surprise offering this, a mofongo bowl with slowly cooked and braised beef. It was full of garlic, onions, and other secret spices, and accompanied by a good portion of mashed plantains. This was a total winner for about $25. Last but not least, a fantastic cheaper option for this area known as The Battery is Wahlburgers. I did a full video on this and check out the link in the description down below. Offering classic or specialty burgers, fries, and other sides, a meal here for around $20 is a great option that will fill your stomach and satisfy your taste buds. Hey, I'm LJ. If you liked today's adventure, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe below, and we'll see you on the next one.